Given two integers n and k, return all possible combinations of k numbers chosen from the range 1 to n. So you may return the answer in any order. So in this example, n 4 is n, 2 is k. So we can only have two combinations, and n is 4. So 1 to 4, those are the numbers, only numbers that we can use. So here we have two numbers each, k, and they're all from 1 to 4. So here we only have one and one. K is one and 4 is one, so it only makes sense to get one. So we can easily solve this. So let's name our result. Result equals to list, an empty list, and then this is a backtracking problem. So we will use backtracking helper function for this. So our time and space complexity is O of will be O of k here, which is the range of numbers, and our combination for space you choose, and then k. So our combinations, so our combinations and range of numbers in our combinations. So DFS backtracking track, and then start, and then combination. Let's move out of this function and then DFS. So we'll start from 1 to 3. So that's what we're going to call for our combination. And also let's not forget this return result. So if the length of combination is equals to k result dot append combination dot copy original copy list combination into our result without altering original. Return to make it so that we can efficiently go to the next one. So let's make a loop to go iteration to loop through the range of n. So for I in range of no, 1, hold on, start, wait, no, yeah, start to n plus 1. So we're using range, so we need, so if without the 1 plus 1, that would be a 3. So let's make let's take that let's add the I combination, the append I, and then backtrack let's recursively call on our function to do I, and then I plus 1, and then combination, and then now let's pop it, combination dot pop. Hold on, why did I use DFS? Backtrack. I'm running this here if it works. Back. Oops. There's a key missing here. It says backtrack. It's not this. Oh, backtracking. I use backtracking here. So let me take this out. Combination is not defined. I'll put combinations here. Oh. Okay, it's K. And that's it, finally. And let's submit it to see if it's going to pass all cases. And it's been able to pass all cases.